Most people get this wrong when evaluating contractor software. They look at a long feature list and assume more features automatically mean a better product. Here's the truth no one tells you. For small contractors, simplicity and usability often matter more than having hundreds of advanced tools. In this video, we're reviewing Markate in 2026 and answering one simple question. Is it actually a good choice for small contractors? By the end of this video, you'll know what Markate does well, where it falls short, and whether it's the right fit for your business. Let's get straight into it. Markate is designed to help service-based businesses manage day-to-day operations from a single platform. This typically includes customer management, scheduling, estimates, invoicing, payment collection, and job tracking. For a small contractor, that's important because it reduces the need for multiple software subscriptions. Imagine Alex runs a small handyman business. Instead of using separate tools for scheduling, invoicing, and customer records, he wants everything in one place. That's exactly the type of user Markate is trying to serve. But here's the problem. Many contractors buy software without considering how quickly their team can actually learn it. A platform can have great features, but if it's difficult to use, productivity suffers. One area where Markate often appeals to smaller businesses is its focus on core operational tools. Contractors can create estimates, manage customers, schedule work, and send invoices without needing a complicated setup process. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real value isn't just organization. It's time savings. Think about Jake, who owns a small HVAC company. Every week he spends hours manually updating customer information and tracking appointments. Software like Markate can centralize those tasks and reduce administrative work. In a minute, I'll explain who should probably avoid Markate. First, let's talk about scaling. For many small contractors, Markate provides enough functionality to run daily operations efficiently. However, businesses with larger teams, highly specialized workflows, or advanced reporting needs may eventually want a more robust platform. This is where most people fail. They expect entry-level software to solve enterprise-level problems. Markate generally works best when your primary goal is improving organization, scheduling, customer management, and invoicing without adding unnecessary complexity. So who is it best for? It's often a strong fit for solo contractors, small service businesses, home service providers, and growing companies that need a practical business management solution. Who may want to look elsewhere? Larger organizations that require extensive customization, complex workflows, or advanced operational controls. The bottom line is simple. Markate can be a good option for small contractors because it focuses on the tools many businesses use every day. It may not be the perfect fit for every company, but for many smaller operations, it delivers the functionality needed to stay organized and professional. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more software reviews and contractor business guides, and let us know in the comments what software you're currently using in 2026.